This tutorial covers how to perform a mail merge in AutoData Systems ExpertScan. A mail merge is useful when you have a database of information that you need to be included on your forms and ultimately in your database. Here's how it works. You have a form, and there are 3 different places that this form is being distributed to in your organization. You also have a database with these locations listed. This database could be an Access database, an Excel spreadsheet, a text file, or a CSV file. When you perform a mail merge, the values are read from the database and placed on your form as barcodes in the selected barcode space. Then, once they are printed, you can make copies of each version and distribute them to each of the various departments. So here I have a form that I have finished, and it is ready to be distributed. Now in most cases you are just going to go up to the File menu and then click Print in order to print off the number of copies you need for all of your participants. But in this particular case, I don't want to just print it off and have the same form over and over again. I would actually like to merge some data with it so that I can track the participants' evaluations from each of 8 courses that they might have taken. So in order to do this, I created a database of courses and their associated number that I made in Excel. I'm going to be merging the course numbers with the barcode on this form. So to start the print merge process, you go to File and then Print Merge. The barcode print merge box will appear, and the first step is to browse and select the database that contains the data that needs to be merged with the form. After that is chosen, you specify the table in the database that actually contains the data. Note that Excel's tables are seen as the different sheets in the workbook. It is important to check the box labeled First row of data contains column names if this statement is true, so that bad data is not merged with the barcodes. This will usually be checked if you are merging an Excel spreadsheet, a text file, or a CSV file with the barcodes, and rarely is used if you are merging from an Access database. The element name should be set to the name of the barcode on the form you are merging with, and the column name should be set to the column that contains the data in the database. Columns will be labeled by default F1 through F however many columns you have in your database, with F1 being the first column, F2 being the second column, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to click the Add button to load the data that is to be merged, and you will see that the print settings have become ungrayed. I'm going to choose to have all of the records printed at one time, and once I click the Print button, I can then choose my printer and then finally print, and I am finished. Now I will have 8 copies of the same form, all with different barcodes. And that is how you perform a mail merge. This completes the tutorial on performing a mail merge in AutoData Systems ExpertScan.